Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cross out text on Reddit application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download, of course, Reddit applications if you don't have it on your phone. If you do have it, just of course ignore me, but if you don't, just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So let me just go here to the Reddit application. So as we said, I'm going to show you how to cross out text on Reddit. But first of all, let me just show you that actually the main screen after opening here Reddit, and here you will see the post that you're actually interested on, or the posts of the pages that you actually follow or joined in, or maybe you could be even possibly like interested on. So let me just go here to random comments or a post. You can do it on either of those two. So let me just go here to random comments. So let's just click on this post comments, and let's try to cross our comments or to cross out the text of our comments. So let's click at add comments here. So wait, as you can see here, the comment is actually not available in this post. So as you can see here, we have a lock on our comment. So let me just go to another post and try commenting on it. So here, as you can see, I can comment in this post. So actually, to cross out the text, you would like to do the same as I'm going to do right now. So let me just search for the thing that I want to. So yeah, that's actually what I want to do. Make sure to do two of them and test this. Then of course make sure to do it on the last of the text as well. Then click at post. So as you can see, I just crossed out my text and my comments, of course. So let me just go back, I hid my comments. So here I actually crossed out my comments, and that's how you actually can do it. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.